InfoComm 2013, Rave AV. I'm Hank Eisengrind from URC Commercial. Here talking about innovative new solutions with our affordable total control system. Here we have a BSS DSP processor. URC's engineers have developed an interface directly for the total control system. No charge to you, the dealer. Here we have our in-wall keypads, and then on our TV screen we can see two-way interactive feedback. Here I can have moving faders right on the screen interfacing over IP my total control system with a popular brand such as BSS, Symmetrix, Bose, Community, Ashley, QSC, DBX, and more. Rave AV, InfoComm 2013, URC Commercial.